In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a party on the Hive game server so that you're able to play with your friends. Now, using parties is essential if you want to play with your friends. So the first thing I recommend that you guys do is, first of all, load into the Hive server like you normally would. Then please go ahead and select over here where it says friends. And what I want you guys to do is I want you to add your friends on the Hive first. And then from there, you're able to invite them to a party. So you just want to scroll down, then select on add a friend right over here, and then type in your friend's username and press on submit. Then it is going to go ahead and give them a friend request. Make sure you type in your friend's username exactly correctly, including all the numbers, special characters, and of course, capital letters, lowercase letters, etc. So anyways, once they accept your friend request, inviting them and creating a party is incredibly easy. You need to select on this token icon over here, then press on invite players, then select on invite a friend. And then from there, you're able to invite your friends who are online. You could also invite someone through a username as well. That is another option that you guys have. But from here, you're able to go ahead and play together. And now once you guys are in the same party, whenever you go to like Skywars duos, for example, the both of you guys will be teamed. And it is honestly that simple. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.